I was looking forward to unboxing the DJI Avata 2 today. Just waiting for it to be delivered. Let's have a look at the DJI Avata 2. Okay, let's open you up. Add the little green pulley tab there, which is a little bit like what Apple do. Let's take this out. Okay, so get rid of that. Okay, that is the bag. Little pockets on the side here, that's quite useful. Another one there as well. Nice grab handle there. And the shoulder strap, which doesn't look like it can be removed. Okay. And the usual nice sort of water-resistant zippers that you get on these bags. What have we got? Where do we start? Do we start big or small?
That's what she said.
Let's start small. What's this?
I'm not sure about that.
Shut up, Alexa. So we've got, let's move that out of the way so you can see it better. This is the Motion Controller 3, the brand new one. Actually, that feels quite nice and solid. I'll just hold that out to the microphone. That looks plasticky in some other people's videos, but it's not. It's nice and solid, nice and weighty. Comes with a lanyard as well. A bit like with the old Wii U controllers, where you had to have those lanyards to stop you chucking it through the TV. But what's this bit? The battery charging unit here. 2 batteries in, and the USB-C, just the USB-C on there, but that can be used for input for charging. But this whole lot can also be used as a power bank crunch. So if you're out in the field, your battery's getting low on your phone, you could use this to charge your phone up. This is the Goggles 3. That's what I've been looking forward to seeing.
Ooh.
Very nice. Oh, it feels nice and solid. Not too heavy, but nice and solid. And it's got the battery pack on the back, some foam bits there for storage. The battery pack on the back, and the goggles there, and we'll have a look into those later. But we'll take those covers off, and you can use these parts here to adjust for if you wear glasses, I believe. Which I hope so, because I wear glasses. And we've got the flippy up antennas. And then this part sits nicely on your forehead. I've seen a lot of reviews saying that makes it much more comfortable than everything resting on the bridge of your nose.
He must be the only engineer in Starfleet who doesn't go to engineering.
Charging port there, on-off button, and that is for just changing where the lenses are inside to fit your eyes. Right, let's move on. We'll see the star of the show now. Here we go. The Avata 2. Tell me in the comments, do you say Avata or Avatar? Okay, nice. Nice and solid. And we've got the ground detection there. And charge to activate the intelligent flight battery before using for the first time. So I've probably got a lot of charging to do before I take this out, which I want to fly it now, but I've got to be sensible, got to be grown up. Let's just have a look at that, see how that, nice. Look in there. Obviously, I've got to put my operator ID on this as well at some point, so need to do that before the first flight as well. Let's have a look at the gimbal cover. What we've got, I'll take that off later, but that is to protect the lens. Nice. Missed some of the extras in here. Let's just put that gimbal guard back on. What else have we got in here? So in this top pocket, oh, got some lovely silica gel. Now, one tip for you, obviously if you've got kids, then just be very careful when you've got this stuff lying around, because kids see this as sweets or something. But if you haven't, I keep these in my photography bag, my backpack, all the time. So don't just chuck them away. Use them, because they could come in handy if you're on a very damp day and you're out with your equipment. Just chuck it in the bottom there, and that just saps away any moisture. Right, what have we got here? What have we got here? That looks like, I'm going to keep that in its cover for the moment. That looks like an extra bit of padding. Yeah, that's extra padding for the goggles, so I think that goes in there. These are the corrective lenses. So we've got a -2 corrective lens. There's a tutorial on that, which I'll have a look at later to see if I can actually work out how to use these. Fingers crossed, I won't have to wear my glasses within the goggles. Manuals, lots of manuals. Now, typically, most blokes would just chuck these out and go, meh, whatever. Oh, light cut. I did quite a good light cut video. Might want to see that, but yeah, we've got lots of manuals here, so I'll have a look through all of that before I start flying, just in case, because I've never flown FPV before. Some stickers? They really are trying to be like Apple now, aren't they? That is a charging cable. So that looks like a USB-A adapter to USB-C. So I'll have to see how that works, what that's meant to be used with. Another cable. Now, if you're into drones, you'll find that you're collecting cables quite a lot. I've got a whole bunch in a drawer. So that is a USB to USB-C cable, a tiny Allen key. So this will be probably similar quality to that terrible screwdriver that DJI supply with the Mini 3 Pro, Mini 4 Pro. I'll leave that in there for the moment, I don't want to lose it. And propellers, because I think I'm going to need propellers, definitely. I've had 3 crashes in the past year with normal camera drones. I think I might have 3 crashes in a weekend with this one, at least. So that's useful as well. There we go, that is the lot. We can see there we've got 4 sets of propellers, some corrective lenses, a forehead pad thing, USB-C to USB-C, USB-A female to USB-C, manuals, stickers, crappy little Allen key, goggles 3, charging pack, motion controller 3, lanyard, and of course the Avata 2. Do a quick bag test, because we do have problems with DJI bags where they give you the smallest bag possible to fit stuff in. So let's see if we can fit this all back in. There goes the Avata, there goes the battery, the goggles. Oh, better put the antennae down, goes in there, those go in there. Now that feels like there is plenty of space. Oh, forgot that. DJI have actually possibly listened to people and been a little bit more generous on the material, the amount of material that they use. There we go. Lovely. Keep an eye out on the channel for when I go for my first flight, and when I do, I'll stick it here. Bye for now.